Take to the trails in absolute confidence with Rough Country's Jeep Wrangler JL Skid Plate Armor Kit. This easy-to-install, all-inclusive kit is designed to offer total protection for the underside of your Jeep, such as the gas tank, transfer case, and engine. Rough Country Skid Plate Armor is designed with recessed mounting points to ensure you never snag a bolt head when crossing over tough terrain. Each JL Skid Plate kit features 3 durable protective panels, giving you unbridled protection against off-road obstacles. This easy-to-install skid plate system features a 100% bolt-on installation process. Rough Country's gas tank skid installs directly over the factory gas tank skid for easy assembly and a double layer of protection. The engine skid plate features an oil drain access, so you can easily change oil without removing your additional protection. Obliterate off-road obstacles with ease, knowing that Rough Country has you covered.